Here's how you can make Freddy, Fazbear, and Gacha online. I tried my best to make them, but clearly I suck at making things. So I just had to try. Oh, I just gave away the skin color. The skin outline color. Anyway, forget. Cut the bull crap. Alright, cut the bull crap. Let's just get this over with. Oh wait, I forgot. 3163. Head AC1, 3162. Cape 40, cause I used it for the black eyes back there. Eyebrows. $22. Real hair 661. Sleeves 73. I'm changing this. 51. 51. Sorry. Never mind. Alright, scarf 19. Drop 104. Shoe 4122. Pants 23. Eyes 33. Jacket 51. I guess that's it. I can't. I'm too lazy to guess. But anyway, just copy it. And here's that pupils 999, and that's the color. Yeah, blah blah blah. Here it is.